how to edit a video in Canva. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to edit a video in Canva. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will open up canva.com and you will get to this platform right here. Now, Canva allows us to edit videos, create logos, presentation, and more. So to create a video or to edit a video, you will select this option right here, and we can select the length and width as well. Once you select the video, it will take you to your video canvas. It's similar to creating and editing photos on Canva. The difference is that the pages right here are replaced with a timeline. So this is going to be the timeline for my scenes. I want my first scene to be 4 seconds maybe, so I will select the time here. Now this is my canvas, and here I can create any kind of video. I can upload my short clips and then I can edit them out right here on Canva, or I can simply go to the elements and get different videos. When you are editing a video on Canva, what we can do is we can add text like we do. We can just go to text and type in the text you want to. And after that, we have this effect option right here that allows us to add different effects. And then we can click on these 3 dots and animate text here as well. Similarly, the videos and the photos that we add on Canva, they can also be animated, and it will allow us to simply convert them into a scene. So this is my first scene right here, you can see. Similarly, I can create another scene, and this time what I can do is I can go to my videos and upload maybe this video here. Now this is my video, and I can of course crop it and place it wherever I want it to be. Once the video is added, again I can change the background color for my video, and then we can add the text. You will just type the text right here. So you can type the text right here, and then we can change the text color. So place it wherever you want it to be, and then we can of course animate our text as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add effects and animation to my text, like rise or pan. Okay, so the pan one looks really good, and we can add different elements to our video as well, whatever we want. For example, some stickers. We can also add audio to our videos, and we can just go to the audio section and select the audio from here. Once your video is done, you can play it and it will show you how it looks. You can see this is how you can edit videos on Canva. It's really easy to do, and you will be able to create ads, create your YouTube videos, edit your TikTok videos, any videos that you want, and it will create it for you. Once it's done, you can simply go ahead and save your video right here in MP4 format, and it will allow you to simply select any kind, and we can also check the total duration right here and name our project as well. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.